Welcome. There is a message for you about survival. Yes, it's a good one. Okay, first thing is water, but this is a plastic bottle, so it's better you use a metal container. Fire is another most important thing, and you can start a fire with tools like this. Often when they're new, they're protected by a film. So, and you can use some of these to start a fire. This is very good. Also, now we have lights. So I'll show you some different kinds of light. Battery, like this one, for instance. And then another kind. And a few more ones. These are with a dynamo. Okay, and they also keep the electricity. They have a battery. A very good tool, a good knife. You can use for many things. This is another kind with a saw on the side of the blade. This is another very useful tool. This is the classical Swiss knife. This is a stronger one. And it is also another very useful tool. This is a battery that can charge your phone, your lamps, and it has also solar panel. Here there are some glasses, often very useful. This is a watch that goes without battery, it goes with the movement of your body, so no batteries. This is a very special box with some very interesting useful tools like this saw. There is a lens, there is a whistle, and a few more very useful tools. This one, I'm going to speak about this in another video. So, some gloves, very useful. This one as well. This is a mask, it's not for viruses but for dust and similar things. This is some sodium bicarbonate that can help you in really many ways. This is a waterproof tool that can be used in several different ways. That's for sleeping, when there are snakes or animals, you can sleep between two trees or anything similar. When it's cold, you have your little big sleeping bag, and this wonderful rucksack, backpack. Thank you.